touch, get left in the dust.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Hi loves, welcome back to yet another vlog. So as you can see, I'm in a car, I'm in a boat on my way to go and cash out my NSS allowance, and I was looking cute, feeling all cute, and I couldn't talk. I need to learn how to talk in a boat because I really wanted to talk to you guys, but I couldn't. So come along with me and enjoy whilst we go cash out the money.
You should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted, boy. Don't let it go. Don't let it slip away.
Good afternoon. So this was me coming back from cashing out. By this time I've already cashed out. The money was in my bag. See the way I was careful with the money. Yeah, so I couldn't vlog in the bank, so I was shy. Who else thinks this NSS method of doing things, getting your allowance, is so stressful? Because you have to get monthly evaluation, go to their office, now you come to the bank. Meanwhile, all this you can do it digitally, and then we'll just go and then cash out without easy. I think that will be much simpler. So I think it's time this will switch things up. So if you are listening to this and you are an executive, it's time to change things up. Honestly, taking your forms to the supervisors, then from there we can continue online. So maybe just take a picture and upload online, then you just go and then cash out your money instead of going to the office, going into draw a queue. And that queue, a lot of NSS people to be there, just be sweating just because of 559. And we didn't even get the full 559. No, you have to, they've removed the tax, and it's high time to they increase the NSS allowance because it's too small. My phone is literally about to die. I just got back and I was about to undress, and I remembered I didn't talk to you guys. I was so shy when I was in the car. I wanted to talk to you guys, but I couldn't. I was just looking at the boat driver's space like this. Cause yeah. Yes, so I just got back. I think I'm gonna do a voiceover for where I couldn't talk and then say what I wanted to say. But right now, I want to film another video. I want to freshen up and then pray and then film another video. I want to film, I don't know what the title is going to be, but it's going to be a sit down video. I'm going to give you guys an update. I've been off YouTube for a while, since 1st January that I posted that video that was supposed to be the last vlog for 2022. I didn't upload any video again. Did I? No, I didn't upload any video again this year. I didn't upload any video. So I want to do a sit down video. I have a maintenance vlog where I was doing my nails, lashes and hair. Guys, I'm so in love with this hair, and my lashes is still giving, and my nails. Guys, I'm gonna put you on my plugs. I'm so much in love. Guys, I'm exhausted right now. I need to freshen up, so I'll get back to you soon. Actually, behind the scenes, it's really cute. And I'm so exhausted, guys. I'm so tired.
Let it go.
So I did a chit chat. Get ready with me, sort of video, and my phone is at 7% right now. I'm charging it back because I wanted to film, like, because I'm vlogging. Actually today I'm vlogging, so I wanted to vlog and show you guys how messy we are looking. I had to move it from charge, guys, and I'm so tired. I want this phone to be like 100%, so I'll do all the things I want to do. I've not done this TikTok. I've taken some pictures, but I don't think I can post them on Instagram. Yeah, Instagram worthy, but I want to take more. But yeah, so I'm waiting for this phone to charge at least 20%, and there's now 7% that she used to move. Seriously, I need to get a camera. Seriously. Because if I were to have a camera, I'm done filming. My phone is already charged, fully charged. I'm taking my pictures. I'm going. But right now, I have to wait for this phone to charge because that's literally the only thing I use for creating content. So I'm manifesting. The universe knows I need it. So I can feel myself holding it. Doing videos and everything. It's mine. Because why not? Everything I want comes to me. Daily affirmation attracts. Hi, welcome back to another vlog. I mean, it's the continuation of a vlog. I think I started a vlog some other time, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super excited, guys. So I got this. Yeah, I might have gone with this. Okay. Yeah, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. I'll be unboxing it on Snapchat too, but like I'll unbox it originally on YouTube. Then I just gonna show them on Snap. Okay, so the story behind this is a funny one. The other AirPods that I was using, he got it for me. The one I was using, we misplaced it in an Uber and we didn't get it back. So he decided to surprise me with a new one. Guys, it's FreePods Pro. It's the Pro. This is like expensive. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to unbox this. Have a closer look. Yep. Is this my first unboxing video? Hey. Okay. No, this is not my first unboxing video. This isn't my first unboxing video. I had an unboxing video about, is that not how it is? Yeah. Villager Pro Max. I mean, someone show me how this is done. I don't want to spoil this. Let's just, hey. Hey, is it like this? Okay, I think it's like this. Okay. Okay, let's have it. let's have it. Hey, I hope something is recording. Hey, how am I? Maybe not this. I can't wait. Okay, so this is okay. There's a book. Hey, it's not a book, it's a manual. Small manual. And what is in here? Hey, awesome. Okay, so this is how you take it off. Okay, Oraimo, I see you. Oh, okay. What is this? Oh, okay. I see what you're doing there. I see you. Okay. Oraimo, I see you, Oraimo. Give us. And if you can you see? Okay. And this one, what does it have inside? It has a case. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, this is so nice. I can't wait to take the real thing off. How do I take? Okay, I think it's like this. You hold this, you pull it out. Because how else? How else do you expect me to remove this thing? Hey, Oraimo. I'm trying to remove this thing, but hey, I'm going to figure it out and come back. Okay, so I've been able to remove it from its packaging. I don't want it to go back in, but when you open it, there's what you see. I'm gonna do a test soon. Look at how slick this is. I love it. God, I'm gonna test it out. Let's go. I can test this out. Look at how slick it is. It looks so nice. I am already in love. I'm definitely going to put the cover it came in with this. I'm definitely going to put this in this because I don't want any scratches on it. I want it to look brand new. So this is how the spring corn is like. Look at the thing, my goodness. This is so. No, it cancels out noise. I'm so in love. Can you hear me? Okay, you can hear me. I look inside, guys. The design is to die for. So tonight you should go and take a chance where she could be everything you wanted, I can go to the gym now and work out and listen to the music. Guys, you know one funny thing? I think this is gonna motivate me to go to the gym because this year I said I was gonna go to the gym, guys. Don't be like me. When you set goals, achieve them. Okay, I achieved my goals, like most of them, but like, you know, just going to the gym, gaining weight, singing. Guys, I'll update you on anything that happens, okay? I don't want this vlog to be lengthy. I don't want this vlog to be lengthy. So I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm going on Snapchat to do an unboxing too. Even though I've already unboxed, I'm going to just show them what's inside. So Unboxing be like. Alright, guys, I've placed this inside this thing, the case. You know, it came with the case. Yes, I've placed it inside. It is actually the case, but it came with an extra case. I mean, look at how cute it is. It's so aesthetically pleasing, and I love it. You know, I love black, so this is Oraimo. Come and sponsor me already. I love it. Thank you so much.